Every pod is hand-picked to ensure the highest quality before it reaches our factory. These pods are the beginning of the journey from tree to bottle. Every pod is hand-picked to ensure the highest quality before it reaches our factory. Workers transport the harvested pods to sorting stations for quality inspection. Each crate is labeled and tracked to ensure quality control during transport. From orchard to factory, every pod is transported carefully to maintain freshness. The harvested pods now arrive at the inside factory process facility to begin transformation. Fresh tamarind pods are collected and prepared for the next step of processing. Welcome to Inside Factory Process, where advanced technology turns tamarind pods into refreshing drinks. Our precision systems ensure every pod is transformed into a pure, high-quality beverage. Let's see the process. The process begins as crates of freshly harvested tamarind pods arrive for inspection. Advanced filtration systems ensure hygienic washing conditions. The clean pods are soaked to soften the pulp for extraction. Fresh tamarind pods are collected and prepared for the next step of processing. Inside this modern factory, trained workers and precision machinery handle every stage of production. High-pressure water sprays clean and sanitize the tamarind pods. Next, the softened tamarind pods enter powerful extraction machines where the drink base begins to form. Initiating extraction sequence now. Process is active and stable. Temperature on the Ecotech monitor is 68 degrees. That's within spec. Laboratory testing confirms flavor, texture, and purity before the drink is prepared. Controlled heat helps release the natural flavor of tamarind pulp. After extraction from the pods, the cocoa pulp is filtered and blended to achieve the perfect texture. Adjusting the primary pulp flow valve. Flow rate is stabilizing at 60%, confirming transfer to tank B. The prepared pulp now moves forward to become the refreshing tamarind drink. Check the consistency readings, they're holding at 92%. Yes, and the flow rate is steady at 450. Good, monitor for any pressure spikes. Understood, systems are green across the board. Checking the pulp clarity now. It looks good, translucent with minimal cloudiness. Ready for the next stage. Every batch is carefully tested to ensure balanced sweetness and consistent quality. Mixing complete. Recording sugar level now. Sugar level at 12.5%. Data logged. This purified pulp mixture is now ready for the next stage before bottling. Temperature holding steady at 72 degrees.
Good. I'm adjusting the flow rate now.
Confirmed. All parameters are green.
Okay. Initiating the cycle.
Cycle is active. Monitoring. To ensure safety and quality, the cocoa pulp mixture is carefully pasteurized. Rapid cooling preserves the natural flavor of the pulp while preparing it for bottling. Viscosity looks good. Check for lumps. No clumps. Flow is steady. Good. Let's adjust the valve. Done. Back pressure is stable. Sterile cysts protect the pulp from contamination before bottling. Check the flow rate here. It's holding at 150. Looks good. Good. Monitor for spikes. Will do. Adjusting the valve. Rates climbing. That's our target. Confirmed. Check batch B230901B. Status is in progress.
Insub flow is 92%.
Good. Any defects?
Defect rate is well within limits.
Proceed to the next batch. After careful processing, the rich tamarind drink is ready for sterile bottling. After careful processing, the rich tamarind drink is ready for sterile bottling. Sterile filling keeps every bottle of tamarind drink fresh and safe.
This batch looks mostly good. Checking alignment.
Agreed, the print is sharp.
Wait, this one is misaligned.
Yes, and the ink is smudged.
Flagging it for rework.
Advanced automation keeps tamarind drink production fast and consistent. Fill rate is steady at 95%.
Looks good.
Monitor for any pressure spikes.
Will do. Initiating the next batch cycle.
Confirmed. Logs are updating. Advanced automation keeps the tamarind drink production fast and consistent. Careful packaging protects every bottle during transportation. From pods to bottles, Inside Factory process delivers perfection in every tamarind drink. Thousands of bottles produced with precision every day. All right, checking the load now. This top layer feels solid. Secured tight, ready to roll. Start at the base, keep it tight.
Got it? Pulling the wrap now.
Good, now up the sides.
Wrapping the top. Almost done.
Looks solid, next pallet. Watch the edge, keep it steady.
Got it. Moving in.
Looks secure, one more to go.